Hello everybody, welcome to Ira Fat Girl. I'm cruising eastbound on I-80. Estimated time of arrival for the recovery is 2 hours and 34 minutes. Somebody stuck out in the red desert off Tri-Territories roads. Hopefully it's an easy recovery, get them out. If not, I got help on the way coming behind me, so if I can't get them out, they'll be able to help get me out because it looks pretty muddy. My favorite thing. Well, we're getting closer to them. We're within 5 miles. We've been 114, so been a pretty good jaunt. Hopefully I can find them. Pretty desolate area. Seen a couple hundred elk. That was pretty cool. They were too far off to video them, but I got some still photos of 2 of them, so hopefully those will turn out. Well, I think I see some people standing up in the middle of the trail. It says we're 1.1 miles away. This is so deceptive out here. It's a long haul. You look out over there and we got snow coming in, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I see somebody standing up there. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
How you like that?
I like that. Did you think you could make it?
Yeah.
You didn't.
Oh no. I thought I could do it, but then as soon as I got down, I mean, you can see where the level was, so I thought I'd have enough ump, but it just sunk.
Of the condition here. So, this would be a case of big bad Chevys trying to do Jeep things. Now, this is impressive. Oh yeah. Yep. I'm glad Nick came because we're gonna need some fatness. Holy bocce balls. Yeah, it's that's impressive. Yeah, give you an idea. How tall are you, Caden?
6'5".
6'5". Yeah, do it on an angle just like that. Keep coming straight. There you go, right like that. Whoa. You'll be good right there. Passenger. You locked up? Shit, them long legs, no problem. Oh, that looks good. Well, that was uneventful.
I
Yeah,
don't think he's
it-
going
we're
back all
stuck.
the way.
So
This is lighter than mine.
Nick's gonna winch me out. I can't put my seatbelt back on and won't let me.
How you all doing?
Jeez.
We pushed the light bar down and
They
everything.
say let her eat.
Let her eat. Dude, that's crazy. Why did we think we could do that?
That was your idea.
No, it wasn't.
You're the driver. You have to take responsibility.
You're the spotter.
Nope. Spotters don't count for nothing.
Well, we're heading home. We've got, quite a few miles to get out of here. Let's see it, yeah, we're 129 miles we drove to get in here. Now we got to get back, and I've got, let's see here, 93 miles to empty, so gonna have to find a gas station. Fat girl's a little thirsty sometimes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.